You know what's crazy? The success you're chasing is actually not far away. It's not in another book. It's not locked behind a paywall. It's hiding behind your excuses. What if I told you that the biggest obstacle standing in your way is actually your own mindset? Your excuses, whether you're aware of them or not, are holding you back from achieving success. It's time to take a closer look at how our thoughts and mindset can influence our achievements. Let that sink in for a moment. Success is not avoiding failure. Success is what's waiting for you once you stop making excuses. We all have excuses. I don't have time. I'm not talented enough. I'm too old. I'll start when I'm ready. Do these excuses sound familiar? But here's the truth. The most successful people in the world had the same excuses. The only difference? They didn't let excuses sit in the driver's seat. Excuses are comfortable lies. Excuses feel good temporarily. They give you a way out, a safety net. But here's the trap. Every time you feed your excuses, you're starving your potential. You want to get fit? The excuse is, I'm tired. The truth? You just didn't choose it. Want to start a business? The excuse is, I don't know how. The truth? You haven't even Googled it yet. What's really behind the excuse? Every excuse hides a fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of starting and realizing it is hard. But guess what? Every single dream is guarded by difficulty. And the only key that works is your decision to move forward anyway. Flip the script. Let me show you a mindset hack. Turn every excuse into a challenge. Too busy? What 30 minutes can I reclaim today? Don't know how? Who can I learn from for free? Too late for me? What if this is the perfect time to start? Stop being impressed by your limitations. Start getting obsessed with your possibilities. The 10-second rule. You don't need to change your life overnight. Just change what you do in the next 10 seconds. Set the alarm. Open the laptop. Hit record. Make the call. That's it. Success begins with that one small act that breaks the cycle of excuses. Imagine this 1 year from now. You're looking back and thinking, I'm so glad I stopped making excuses and finally went for it. Or worse, you're still making the same excuses. Same story. Same struggle. Different day. The choice? It's yours. Always has been. Kill the excuse. Chase the dream. Because success is hiding behind your excuses. If this hit you in the gut, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Type "no more excuses" in the comment section. Subscribe for more weekly doses of clarity, courage, and mindset mastery. Until next time, no excuses, just progress. Stay strong. Remain unbreakable.